Alright everybody, welcome to part 4 of the breast force, chest force slash Leozack review, and right now we're going to be looking at Dezarus, aka Deathsaurus. Yeah, basically, this one also has Toyhax labels here and there, and you can see. Yeah, fill it out quite nicely in certain spots. Yeah, now see, the thing about the the breast force was, at least the one that combined, it's like had the torso formed by two bots, much like Devastator. But Combiner Wars didn't really have that, at least not at the regular scale. So they decided to basically just fill out one bot and go with the Deathsaurus, who technically it's like a chest force style. It's like a character who had, it's like two of them. It's like a tiger breast and eagle breast. Now obviously they decided to go with the Skylynx mold, because we have this, it sort of has a dragon beast mode, so let's just go with that. I figured, that's what they figured anyway. So yeah, you move the swords out of the way, and he has like this shuttle mode, which Deathsaurus is usually painted blue and silver, but they went with the colors of Leozack and Jallgar slash Jaruga. Yeah, anyway. This guy's a bit stiff, so bear with me. Alright. Very, very stiff. They did retool the head ever so slightly so it looked more evil. So there's that. And yeah, then after that you can take these two sword pieces. You can either put them on the wings here, or they help form a tail. So we have a bigger tail, or these wing guns, if you will. So yeah, this meant to represent sort of a version of Deathsaurus before they brought the character in. It's like with HasLabs. So yeah, let's just get the team together. And this is the retail version. It's like with Toyhax of the chest force, if you will. And then it's like, yeah, we also have the Iron Safe guy there. So yeah, that's the team that you would get. It's like as a whole, it's like if you want, it's like the retail route. So yeah, stay tuned, and we're going to combine them together, and yeah, then we'll even look at the other bonus guys that I got. Alright, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Later.